get cracks and pops in your knee? Cue for the editor. First of all, warm up the knee. This cracking popping is often referred to as crepitus, and it's usually not a big deal. Then foam roll the front and sides of your thigh for about a minute. Then do about 20 or so squats. Then keep doing your workout. The thing is, once that tissue opens up, relaxes, you get some synovial fluid and lube into the joint, then things start to just open up. A lot of times crepitus is other muscles or tendons sliding over other muscles or bony landmarks. It's really not something to be concerned about. The only time you want to be concerned about clicks and pops is if every single one of them is painful, in which case you want to avoid the thing that is causing the click and pop.